Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about numbers in Chinese. Numbers is 数字. Now let's start with the one-digit number. 零 一 二 三 四 五 六 七 八 九 Now let's move on to two-digit number. 十 十一 十七 三十 四十 五十六 七十九 九十三 It's pretty easy, right? Now let's talk about 100, 1000, and 10,000. 一百 一千 一万 There are special rules for E. So when E followed by the first, second, third, or neutral tone, it's pronounced as E with the fourth tone. E. For 100, it's 一百. And when E followed by the fourth tone, it's pronounced as E with the second tone. E. For 10,000, 1 is the fourth tone, so it changes into the second tone. 一万 917 Okay, now let's talk about 20, 200, 2000, and 20,000. 20 200 200 2000 2万 For 20, it can only be pronounced as 20 and not 20. And for 200, it can be pronounced as 200 or 200. And for 2000, it can only be pronounced as 2000 and not 2000. The same with 20,000, it can be only pronounced as 2万 and not 2万. Next is rules for zero. 830 803 803 When zero is put in the middle of the number, we always write the 零 8003 When zero are in the middle of the number and they are next to each other, we just need to pronounce 10 8003 8003 8030 We need to pronounce the 10 because there is another zero in front of it. 8230 8230 8230 8230. And before we finish today's class, I'm gonna give you guys homework. You guys can try to change these 5 numbers into Chinese and write the answer on the comment below. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!